Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do a battery charging speed test of Huawei Nova 3i or Huawei P Smart Plus smartphone. It comes with 3340 mAh battery along with this 5V 2A charger and this micro USB 2.0 cable. So we are going to use the official charger and the cable for this testing purpose, and we will use this another smartphone to see how much time Huawei Nova 3i is going to take in reaching from 0 to 100%. So right now battery of our Huawei Nova 3i is totally 0. You can see it's not even switching on. So let's start our test now and let's see how much time Huawei Nova 3i is going to take to charge its battery from 0 to 100%. So you can see it's starting fresh, just 1% in 15 seconds. Looks pretty good. So 5% after 2 minutes 30 seconds. So after 15 minutes the battery percentage reached to 11 from 0. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 18% after 30 minutes of battery charging. So after 51 minutes it's 27%. It's 1 hour 20 minutes now and battery moved to 41% from 0%. So after 80 minutes battery percentage is 41%. So it will take around 3 hours, but let's see how much time it's going to take exactly. So it's 2 hours now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 59%. So after 2 hours of battery charging it reached to 59% from 0%. So it's 3 hours now. Let's have a look on the battery status of Huawei Nova 3i, and it's 85% after 3 hours. Let's see how much time it's going to take in reaching 100%. It's 3 hours 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status, and it's 98%. So let's switch on the device, and as you can see that in last 1 hour it is charging a bit quickly. Unlike other smartphones, most of the smartphones they charge quickly in the beginning and slowly in the last 10-15%, but here exactly opposite is happening. It was very slow in the beginning and now it's faster, and it's 100% while booting up the device, as you can see here. So if you go to the battery, here you can see it's 100% full. So we can consider that took 3 hours 30 minutes in charging it fully from 0% to 100%. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, tips and tricks and hands-on videos like this. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.